Wall Partition Ideas 2024 Wooden Room Divider. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the latest wall partition ideas for 2024 with a focus on stunning wooden room dividers. Whether you're looking to transform your living space, create a cozy reading nook, or add a touch of elegance to your office, these innovative partition ideas will inspire your creativity. Features: explore the trendiest wooden room dividers of 2024. Discover creative and functional wall partition ideas for various spaces. Get tips on how to choose the perfect divider for your home or office. Learn about the latest design trends and color schemes. Find budget-friendly options without compromising style. DIY enthusiasts, if you love hands-on projects, stay tuned for DIY tutorials on crafting your own wooden room dividers. We'll guide you through step-by-step instructions, materials needed, and customization options to match your unique style. Room inspiration: looking for specific partition ideas for your bedroom, living room, or office? We've got you covered. Explore our room-specific segments for tailored inspiration and find the perfect wooden room divider to enhance the ambience of your space. Shopping guide: want to purchase the featured wooden room dividers? Check out our curated list of top-rated products with direct shopping links. We've done the research so you can effortlessly bring these stylish dividers into your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting interior design ideas and home decor inspiration. Join our community of design enthusiasts and let's make your space truly exceptional.